just a quick walk through a new tool that I've been working, that I've discovered in Skyscanner in the last couple of months, and probably going to become more important as we take on more responsibility for our own actual flight planning and itinerary planning, and you'll see why it really helps our knowledge as well. I'm going to just give 3 examples, okay, of what you can do. So we always struggle when we're sort of wondering where flights go, particularly from domestic airports. Where are the destinations? And in a recent example, I was looking into flying clients from Iguazu and just wondering whether there were other places apart from Buenos Aires or Salta, which I already know about, where I could send them. So what I do is I put one way, I put Iguazu there. I then, as you see, have the option to put everywhere, right? For the month, okay, I can put the whole month. As the guests are actually traveling next November, I could go there, but I happen to know in Argentina that they don't release flights that early, although it might be for August. But why don't we just try December, since it's going to be the same year ahead? At least at this stage, it gives us an idea. And then I take direct flights. Then what I get, if you think about it, what do I get from that? I basically get all the destinations globally where you can fly to from IGR, okay? So how does that happen? And fly direct on direct flights. Short answer, actually, I was about to say not very many, but more than you think, okay? This means that, we can, for example, send our clients to Mendoza directly. You've got to pick and choose the day of the week pretty quickly because there aren't many of them. But we haven't thought of that before, so we always think they're going through Buenos Aires. So go back, okay, and unfortunately, so let's have a look at these others. Never heard of El Paloma. Salsa we know about, but then I spot Cordoba, okay, and there are indeed flights to Cordoba on a couple of days of the week. So I'll move away from that airport because what I'm going to just do now is then. So I'm beginning to think, well, anyway, that gives me an alternative, okay, to Buenos Aires, or rather to the wetlands. When I go back to the wetlands, and then I look at Posadas, okay. So let's just quickly just show you again how that works. So imagine it, okay, that would be your normal sort of flights, whatever. Right, so I want to find out where can you fly to from PSS, okay? That funny little airport, right? Directly, okay? I put everywhere, right? Where can you fly to this December, okay? Because obviously the flights are not released for our client. And then how about the whole month? Take a note of that, cheapest month. I haven't even tried that yet, but I'm not going to, in fact. So let's go again for December, shall we? Okay, direct flights. I search. This is from Posadas. It's a funny little airport. We don't get this from our DMCs. Okay, well, there they are. So they're actually, it also goes to Cordoba, as it happens. And then, I found out subsequently, actually, from Cordoba, which I'm going to very quickly show you, because actually it's quite interesting, is how many destinations there are where you can fly to from Cordoba. I probably should have done this with a map in front of me. Maybe we'll do a map next. So Cordoba to everywhere. Let's say the whole month again. Okay. We're getting bored of looking at it. Should we look at February? Okay. So that's where you can go to from Cordoba, right? You go to Argentina, obviously, you'd expect that. Uruguay, useful to know. Venezuela, Chile, well, I guess you'd expect that. Well, the Serena is, maybe I don't know, but it's, that's interesting. Brazil, this I thought was fascinating. In Cordoba, look at all these destinations, that's Fortaleza. So, that suddenly connects northern Brazil, right, with an itinerary. It's almost easier probably to go to Cordoba. I mean, because it's 1 day a week or something, the flight, but if you get the right day, um, so every Sunday, in theory, I believe this, let's see, there is a flight. Direct flight, God knows why. Oh, there it is. So, okay, it's in the middle of the night, but that's quite interesting because one doesn't think about it. So there you go. Worth remembering that.